stop my husband legally to stop spending extremely excessive money on his mistress. Has an affair with this 33 years younger Jamaican woman since over 2 years. Cleaned out his retirement funds, credit cards up over $100,000. He gets late paying our bills, mortgage, homeowners association. Plus, I really think he got a mental problem, very depressed, got a temper. I'm 75 and a cancer survivor. He is 65. Can you please give me advice what I can do? Okay, well, here's my, and it didn't say it in the thing, right? But I'm going to bet that he's never met this woman. I'm going to bet that it's not a woman, or it might be a woman, who knows? But she probably doesn't look anything like the pictures that she sent him online. And she's probably not 33 years younger. Like I run into too many of these, right? Where it's someone from a foreign country. And they're probably, for all you know, they're around the block, right? But Europe is another one, where people claim to be from, and ooh la la and all that. But strong foreign accent, that seems to be an attractive selling point with these scams. But it says his mistress. I bet you it's a telephone mistress. I bet you he's never seen the person. I bet you maybe sent some videos. That's possible, even likely. But I bet you there's no Zoom calls, because why? Because with Zoom you can track them down. With Zoom, you can see what the person actually looks like. Okay. Whereas if they send you some photographs in the mail, in the email, then you just get the only thing they have to do is remember to send the right pictures to the right person, right? Of this phony baloney person who doesn't exist, or somebody whose pictures they bought. So anyway, number one, I don't believe most of these things. They're just total scams, and smart people, get inveigled in these things. And it may very well be that your husband's got some mental problems, what have you. That's possible. Who the hell knows? I don't know. But that's certainly possible. But you see, these people make a living taking advantage of people, right? And the thing is, you're married, right? It's your husband. So you're married, and when you're married, it's real life, okay? And real life is not the fairy story. It's not the fairy tale. And so someone offers you a fairy tale that can be very appealing, very attractive. And they know this, and they know how to push your buttons. And so we've had people, very successful people, retirees now, doing exactly this thing, running up the credit cards, giving away the retirement funds. Oh, they need this for that. They're going to get evicted. I mean, there's all kinds of stories that they tell. And it's all about, I love the one where I need you to, I need you to give me the last three. This actually happened. I got the client. Do you think I should? They're calling me. I need you to meet me at the airport. This is God's honest truth. At the local airport, they want me to meet them at the local airport because this guy is, and they had the name and all the rest, all the details. He's coming on Air France flight, whatever. But he's got the suitcase full of money, but he needs another $347 to get the first class ticket, because otherwise he'd have to check the case with the cash in it, and he doesn't want it inspected or anything. And so he needs the extra money in order to buy the first class ticket. So can we wire him the $347, and he'll be, at the airport this afternoon? And I'm like, these people have already fleeced you for tens of thousands. You don't even know how much, right? How much money. But that's what this is. It's the same, in my opinion. I think it's the same sort of thing. And if you're the spouse, what you do is you go to probate court and you say, yeah, look, my spouse, my husband, may not be mentally incapacitated. Right? He may be very well aware of what he's doing. And one of the things for getting a guardianship, having a probate court intervene, is that the family funds, are going to be wasted, even if they're mentally competent.